What is human resources? First you understand capital. What is human resources? Human resources, you see, human resources is a stock of expertise, knowledge, and skill, which can be stored in human brain. So human resources is a stock of expertise, knowledge and skill which can be stored. This is important, can be stored. We say can be stored in human brain. Now what is human capital? What is human capital? What is human capital? Now human capital is a stock concept. Human capital is a stock concept. So it is measured in time t1. That means if we have labor equal to 10 at time t1, we say our human capital is equal to 10 labor. So human capital means stock of skill, expertise, knowledge, at time t1. Now what is human capital formation? Is human capital formation. It is very easy. It is a flow concept. It is a flow concept. It is measured from time t1 to t2. Suppose we are in 2001 time t1, we have 10 labors, and now we move to 2002 time t2, we have 12 labors. Now see, plus 2 labor is added. Now this plus 2 is called human capital formation. That means it is addition of human capital to the stock of human capital. So addition of human capital to stock of human capital from time t1 to t2. So it is a flow concept. So it is a flow concept. Thank you.